Hello, this is Card Collecting and More, and today I'm just going to be doing a bit of an unboxing of this Starter EX Gear 5 One Piece set. To be honest, I've never played this game and I want to try it out soon, so I went ahead and bought this. And I'm not sure anything about value or rarity or anything. I never looked at this. It's the first time that I've done anything related to One Piece, but I saw some people playing it and it looked fun, so why not? Looks like okay, some sleeves, bonus pack. Let's see. What's in this bonus pack? I don't know, but I want to see. Okay. So we have Stussy, Nami, and Usopp. Alright. Put that there. And let's start going through these cards. Okay. Yep, really careful. Has to be an easier way to open this. This is starting to trigger me a bit. There you go. Do mind any noise that you hear in the background. Just the dogs. Okay, so we got this Gear 5 Luffy. Another Luffy. Some Zoros. Usopp. Sanji. Jewelry Bonnery. Jinbei. Another more Stussy. Sentomaru. Tony the Chopper. Or Tony Chopper. Not Tony the Chopper. Nami. Eco Robin. Frankie. Brooke. Vegapunk. Gum. Don Whip. And then some cards. Alright, so what looks like to be in this box, it seems to be sleeves, cards, and bonus cards. Overall, it's what I expected out of like a starter type of deck. You get a pretty neat deck and some cool looking cards, and I'm not sure if this is a strong deck or how well I will do, but I'll maybe make a video just documenting my experiences with One Piece, and we'll go from there. Well, I'll get to sleeving these cards, and yeah, thank you for listening in and minding any of the noise if you can hear that or not. In any case, thank you for listening in and have a good day.